This rug is mistakenly categorized as Persian, but it's actually Türkmen, known as the Türkmen halı. The term Persian rug has become kind of a catch-all for high-quality hand-woven carpets from that general region. But in reality, Türkmen rugs are their own distinct tradition, woven by nomadic tribes from modern-day Turkmenistan and parts of Iran, Afghanistan, and Uzbekistan. They're known for their deep reds, repeating geometric patterns, and of course, the iconic guls, those octagonal shapes that symbolize tribal identity. Each shape represents a Türkmen tribe. Turkmens take immense pride in their carpets, not just as floor coverings, but as intricate tapestries that reflect their identity. But beyond their cultural value, Turkmen carpets also served as a crucial tool for economic trade. For centuries, these rugs were highly sought after in bazaars across Central Asia and the Middle East, functioning as currency, dowry, and a symbol of wealth. Within Iran, these carpets are known as Turkmeni, meaning Turkmen style, and were usually brought in from the northeastern regions, areas close to the Turkmenistan border like the Golestan province. Over time, they became popular in Iranian homes for their bold patterns and rich colors, blending into the broader aesthetic of beautiful, maximalist Persian interior decor. The historic city of Bukhara, once a major center along the Silk Road, was also known for its distinct style of Turkmen rugs, the Bukhara style. Artisans from Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkey adopted the Turkmen rug designs, adding their own unique influences and techniques to this traditional art form. So when you hear someone refer to this rug as a Persian, Turkish, or Pakistani rug, they often don't realize it, but what should be meant is a Turkmen-style rug made in that country.